All right, welcome back. We are on level 4 of lesson 4, shapes and parameters. So background. Sometimes you want to fill the entire screen with a color. For that, you can use the background. It covers everything on the screen with the color you choose. Do this. Run the code to see background work. Change the background from yellow to orange. Challenge. There is a purple square that is covered by the background. Can you change the order of the code so you can see both the purple and blue squares? All right, so we're going to run. Okay, so right now the background is yellow and we see a blue square. We need to change the background from yellow to orange. So we're going to come here where it says background. We're going to type in orange, okay? And then let's reset. So that's done. Now we got to get the purple square into the foreground. So we're going to move this down and we're going to move this down and see if that does the trick. Yep. So the background is in the very back. So that's the first thing that we're going to put. And then the fill blue rectangle, that's this one here. And then fill purple rectangle, that's this one here. All right, so we've done what we need to do. We're going to click finish and I will see you on level 5.